Hello class, in this video I will be showing you how to sketch the graph of a polynomial function. Let's begin. I'm going to sketch the graph of h of x. To do this, I'm going to determine the end behavior of the graph, determine the zeros of the polynomial, and determine the vertical intercept. I'm going to start by finding the end behavior of the graph. H of x is not in standard form. To put h of x in standard form, we would have to multiply the two binomials together, then distribute the -3. However, we don't need to do that to determine the lead term. All we need to do is multiply the -3 and the x squared. And when you do, you will get -3x cubed. Since the coefficient is negative, the right-handed behavior finishes down. Since the degree of that polynomial is odd, the graph has opposite left-handed and right-handed behavior. Now let's find the real zeros. I've already gone ahead and factored x squared minus 9 as x minus 3 and x plus 3. To find the real zeros, we need to set the polynomial function equal to 0. Then we're going to set each binomial equal to 0. So h of x has 3 real zeros. One at -1/3, another at 3, and the third one at -3. The multiplicity of all of these zeros is 1 because the exponent of each of the binomials is 1. So I'm going to go ahead and list the zeros in the chart along with their multiplicities. The multiplicities of each zero is odd, which means that the graph crosses the horizontal axis at each of the zeros. And finally, we're going to find the vertical intercept. To find the vertical intercept, we need to evaluate h of 0. So that'll be -3 times 0 plus 1/3 times 0 squared minus 9, which is equal to 9. So the vertical intercept is 0, 9. And now that we have all of this information, let's go ahead and sketch the graph. There are zeros at -3 and -1/3. And 3. There is a vertical intercept at 9. The end behavior of the graph is that it finishes down and has opposite end behavior. And the graph crosses the horizontal axis at each of the zeros. So let's sketch h of x. The graph is going to decrease, cross through -3, and come back up and cross through -1/3, and then come back down, cross through 0, 9, and then cross through 3. And that is the graph of h of x. And we are done.